Welcome to Dream Beyond Big, your go to space for empowering your mind, soul, and life through positive affirmations. Thank you for joining us today. Affirmations are powerful tools that can transform your mindset, boost your confidence, and help you manifest your dreams. To get the most out of these affirmations, it's essential to repeat them and fully believe in the words you're saying. After each affirmation, we've included a pause to give you a moment to repeat it back to yourself. Feel the words, believe in them, and let them sink deep into your consciousness. So let's get started. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and open your mind and heart to the power of positive affirmations. My life is full of endless opportunities for success and happiness. I can overcome any challenges that come my way. I am kind to myself and others. I trust in the process of life to bring me to my highest good. I am free of worry and at peace with who I am. I am courageous and face my fears head on. I believe in my ability to change my life for the better. I easily attract love, abundance, and happiness. My potential is limitless. I am aligned with my purpose and my life reflects this alignment. I am focused, persistent, and will never quit. I am healthy, energetic, and full of life. I am loved, loving, and lovable. I am worthy of love and respect. Every day is a new opportunity for growth and success. I am confident in my abilities and skills. I am grateful for the love and support that surrounds me. I am proud of who I am and what I've achieved. I have the strength to make my dreams come true. I am worthy of achieving my goals and dreams. I am thankful for today's opportunities and welcome new adventures. My creativity is a valuable gift that I share with the world. I am balanced in mind, body, and spirit. I am making a meaningful impact in the world. I let go of fear and embrace love. My life is a beautiful work in progress. I am free to be myself in any situation. I am becoming the best version of myself. I have the power to create the life I desire. I attract positive energy and good fortune. I am resilient, strong, and capable. I deserve happiness and prosperity. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. My thoughts and actions contribute to my success. I am surrounded by love and everything is fine. My mind is filled with positive thoughts that nourish and heal me. I am in control of my emotions, thoughts, and actions. I am deserving of a life filled with joy and happiness. I am constantly growing and evolving into a better person. I love myself unconditionally. I choose to be happy right now. I love my life. I am patient, calm, and centered. I am appreciative of all that I have and all that is yet to come. I trust myself and my intuition. I am successful in whatever I do. I am generous, kind-hearted, and open-minded. I am not my mistakes. I forgive myself and move forward. Thank you for taking this journey with us today. We hope you found these affirmations uplifting and empowering. Remember, the power of affirmation lies in your belief and repetition. Keep these positive statements in your mind as you navigate through your day and watch how your life begins to shift in incredible ways. If you enjoyed today's session, please hit the like button and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss an empowering moment with Dream Beyond Big. Until next time, keep dreaming beyond big. Your limitless potential is just an affirmation away.